Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Local cement manufacturer Carib Cement says its $40 million expansion project is on track. Speaking at a factory tour led by the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Managing Director Jorge Martinez said the project should be done by the first quarter of 2025. Cement production is expected to increase by 30%. More of its workforce. Upskilling for the existing workforce is also being done. The CMEX campus was launched 3 weeks ago to train more university students.
Some professionals in development program here it's a good example of how we are investing on the future of the people. That this is the good way of continue this greater growing of Jamaica. We are nurturing with this a pool of talent poised to drive innovation and excellence across of our organization.
Chief Financial Officer CFO at the RJR Gleaner Communications Group, Andrea Messam, will leave the company at the end of this year. In a notice on Monday, the company said she has opted to proceed on early retirement at the end of December 2024. Ms. Messam has held the position of CFO for more than 16 years. The RJR Gleaner Communications Group, of which Television Jamaica is a member, says it will be recruiting a new CFO. Grace Kennedy Limited saw a 1.7% increase in post-tax profit at the end of the first quarter. For the 3-month period ended March, the company said it made a net profit of $2.3 billion. At the end of the first quarter last year, GK made $2.26 billion. Total revenues for the conglomerate amounted to $42.35 billion for the quarter. This represents an increase of 8.3% or $3.25 billion for the same period in 2023. GK's Jamaican food business, its distribution companies, manufacturing arm and retail businesses also recorded growth. Grace Kennedy Financial Group also delivered increased revenue. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 718 points today, while the junior market lost 43 points. Among the 41 winners, Berger Paints Jamaica, Palace Amusement, Carib, Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution, and Access Financial Services. The 57 losers include Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Portland JSX, KLE Group, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and Kingston Properties. 10 stocks traded firm. Trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.03. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.23. $195.90 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $171.78. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.